Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Business with Oracle. As mentioned, this channel I will be discussing about several business ideas which will help you to be your own boss. So this channel means business and talks business actually. Now before I start, I hope all of you are doing good and are taking the necessary safety measures to protect yourselves from this coronavirus. Now today I will be discussing with you a very interesting topic, and that is earning money, and that is how to earn money by providing tuitions online. Now this is a particular money generation channel which most of us can do, or I would say all of us can do, because I believe each one of us is having a specialization in any particular niche. It could be any, not necessarily an academic field. It could be a field of extracurricular activities as well, such as drawing, dancing and all. So to start with it, first of all, as this COVID-19 has come and engulfed our society, most of us have to follow social distancing. So to get students from online platforms and offer them online teaching is something that will be on a rise. So to start with, I will explain you a step-by-step procedure to initiate this particular business opportunity, or I would say rather an earning opportunity. And today I will be sharing my screen to show you in practical how it happens. Now, first of all, to start with this process, you need to register yourself in a tutorial platform where you need to first you need to understand that, man, this is the subject that I know and I am confident enough to transfer my knowledge among my students. Once you understand which is your subject of comfortability and which what is the subject of your confidence, you have to understand which particular platform you will be targeting to reach your students. Now again, there are two platforms. One is by developing your own personal website where you can share your credentials in a single page website and make that available, or I would say market that among your target segment. Another process is you create a Facebook page and market that among your channels and among your groups and other particular communities and all. You can also create any other social media pages, maybe LinkedIn and all, but there are some tricks that I will obviously discuss in my next videos, how to create personal brand pages in LinkedIn and Facebook and other social media platforms, but I am not picking into that in this particular video. And so apart from having personal presence, you can also target some online third party platforms which help you to get yourself registered as a tutor. Now you need to select which particular online third party platforms you should target. In the process, you should do one particular thing, that is, you should search that. First I will ask you to put yourself in the shoes of your students. What your student will do, your student will search that, let's say, with a search query, physics tutors near me. You should search this particular term in Google and find out which are the channels, that is, or third party platforms that is coming and displaying. So necessarily you understand that if these are the platforms which are coming, so registering myself among these top 3 platforms or top 3 ranking websites will help me to get more exposures and help my students to reach me. Now in this process, I myself would present myself as a case study to you. I have chosen few platforms. One was Teacher On. Let me show it to you. This is Teacher On. So here you can register as a teacher. This is the platform, I mean the call to action button, where you can join this particular platform and get yourself registered over there. And there are some financials that I am coming afterwards. So you can create a profile over there. You can also share all your credentials, certifications, so that your student can trust you and feel confident enough to get enrolled. Another similar platform is Urban Pro. You can target this as well. You can see that there are lots of segmentation over here. You can teach class 7, you can provide class 7 tuitions, you can provide BTech tuitions, you have subjects, so you can provide English tuitions, and so on. So apart from teacher on Urban Pro, there is another platform which has recently come out and is been quite doing quite well in the market, and that is called MyFab Tutor. So I have registered in all these three particular platforms, because I also must say that don't target one particular platform. Get yourself registered in multiple platforms, but not necessarily all the platforms, because these platforms are sometimes they do have free packages, but they also have paid options as well. So better to start with, get yourself registered in the top three platforms, be it teacher on, be it Urban Pro, be it MyFab Tutor, or any other. So here you can see again, you have to register yourself as a tutor, and they have also an option to get institutes or budding institutes to register themselves in their platform itself. So after filling these particular details, they will help you to create a profile. And let me show you my profile in MyFab Tutor. This is my particular profile, where you need to put your image. You need to also share that particular subject you provide training, and why, what are the USPs that you have. You are providing training and you are helping students to get placed, and particularly what are those in you that will help you to get yourself positioned uniquely among your competitors. That is something that you also need to understand, how to position yourself among your competitors, because you will find lots and lots of people will be registering in the same domain in this particular any of these particular web portals. So you yourself need to say that, hey, why you will come to me, because I am not only providing you the lessons, or I am not only providing you the courses, I am also helping you how to crack the interviews. Likewise, as per your subject, you need to provide those USPs, that yes, these are the things that I am actually offering, which would be beneficial to my student. Now again, MyFab Tutor is also offering a personal web page to you, which you can also market among your peer groups or your target audience, I would say, not peer groups. So you can market this particular web page, and you don't have to build a particular brand website. So this is a thing that I like the most of MyFab Tutor, that they help the tutors to get their own website or web page actually developed. And this is a platform which you can market among your social media channels, YouTube channels, or wherever you are reaching. You can also put this particular web page link in the visiting card and all, so you can market it over there. So this is how you actually land up creating a profile. So you can see my profile in social media platform. You can in teacher on platform, this is my profile in teacher on platform. You can see that I have created a profile, and I have also mentioned what exactly I offer to my student, what are the courses I actually offer to my students. So you have to actually detail about yourself, that these are the things that I am offering to you. So and also most importantly, who are the persons whom you would be actually looking for to target, or those are the persons who can get knowledge from you. For my case, being a digital marketing professional, I am providing my expertise to students, to job seekers, to startups and professionals. So I have mentioned that, hey, you are a student, then I am there for you. Like this it happens. So the key takeaways for you: number one, understand what particular subject is something that you can teach your students properly. What is your specialization actually? For my case, it's digital marketing. In your case, it could be physics, it could be mathematics, any. Number two, find out those channels or those third party channels and list yourself in at least three particular third party websites. Number three, you have to prepare a very good bio about you in the profile, that these are my credentials, this is why you will come to me for a coaching. Once you have done this, another key to success is generating reviews. Once you uh, provide tuition to your student, you may ask him to provide a review about you. You can see I have tried the same. You can see a review is there in my name in Teacheron. So you have to make sure that you are actually taking all these facilities these third party channels are offering. Now, coming to the investments part, each of them has different payment modules. If you want to, again, there are free registering and listing as well, but if you make or be their premium members, then you have some I would say facilities more than those tutors who are in their free membership plan. That is, you will get your profile visible much more than others. So if you ask me what particular financials that you may have to think in your mind before starting registering in these particular platforms, I will suggest you that you may not have to invest more than rupees 1000 in setting up this particular online mode of earning. So you can start with it, and in case you require any assistance from me, you can definitely share those in the comment section of this. You can subscribe my video and like it if you only like that this is what. So have a nice time ahead. Thank you.